Hello and welcome to Filings Corner, your trusted partner for legal drafting, compliance, and business documentation. Today's topic, gift deeds, and why they're essential for a smooth, tax-compliant transfer of property or valuables. What is a gift deed? A gift deed is a legal document that allows someone, the donor, to transfer assets voluntarily to another person, the donee, without any exchange of money. It's irrevocable once accepted and must follow proper legal and tax procedures. What can you gift using a gift deed? Immovable property, land, flats, houses, buildings, movable assets, cash, gold, shares, vehicles, digital and intellectual property, trademarks, patents, copyrights. Whether it's family wealth or charitable gifting, a gift deed ensures the transfer is legally valid and tax-friendly. Documents you'll need: ID proof, Aadhaar, PAN, passport of both donor and donee ownership proof. Title deed for immovable property. Witness details: 2 independent witnesses. Tax records. If the gift crosses the Rs 50,000 tax-exempt limit, NOK, for jointly owned or inherited property, if applicable, steps to execute a gift deed. 1. Drafting. A customized deed with asset details and conditions. 2. Signing with witnesses. Donor and donee sign before 2 witnesses. 3. Stamp duty payment, as per state laws. 4. Registration, mandatory for gifting land or buildings. No registration. No legal transfer. Tax implications and special clauses. Close relatives. Gifts are often tax-exempt non-relatives. Gifts exceeding Rs $50,000 may be taxable. Selling the gifted property. Donee may be liable for capital gains tax. Multiple donees. You must clearly define ownership percentages, revocation clauses, allowed only under special legal terms. Why choose Filings Corner? Expert legal drafting, custom gift deeds prepared by our team of CAs, CSs, and lawyers. Stamp duty and registration help. We handle state-wise requirements, tax compliance advisory, maximize exemptions, avoid penalties, end-to-end execution. From paperwork to registration, we do it all. Quick and affordable, transparent pricing, 0 hidden fees. Secure your gift deed today. Don't let a generous gesture become a legal burden. Make it official, make it tax smart, and make it with Filings Corner. Visit www.filingscorner.com or call us today for a consultation. Like, comment, and subscribe for more legal and financial insights. Filings Corner, simplifying law, one document at a time.